All right. Everybody's watched a video probably of me putting this little lime green patch on a month or so ago. But I've been picking at this thing. We're going to see what happens if I pull it off. Stand by, this is a low budget video. I'm the cameraman and operator. So let's pull on this thing. Well, it's on there. Let's see here. Get some power behind this thing. Okay. The Hellbinder patch is off. And everybody saw that big ass hole. Let's see if we can zoom in. Ha! I'll be damned. The patch is off. The Thort still holds air. So if you're worried about how long this stuff lasts, you can see that big slit right there? There's about a 3/8 inch slit. The Hellbinder has glued the hole shut. I wouldn't worry too much about getting running class 5 whitewater with this one. I'll be dang. This stuff doesn't suck. Hellbinder Raft Fix at Pro River Outfitters. Get you some.